So let's first of all check about our present working directory. Then right now we are in the directory Dr. Anju, and after applying ls command we have checked that we have three files in our directory: anju2.gz, Anju underscore Bhandari, and Anju underscore Gandhi dot g. So these three types of files we have. One is gzip file, one one file is gzip file, another file is a simple plain document text file, and third category of file we have is a Unix compressed file, right? So we have these three types of files. Now we have to just understand and learn that how a simple plain file can be compressed using different commands, and we can make them gzipped file and a simple compressed file, right? So for applying these compression commands, let's write a command: compress, right? Uncompress. So if I want to uncompress my any file which is already compressed, I have to use the command uncompress and then the name of the file. So I am now able to see that Anju underscore Gandhi dot z, that was the compressed file, is now no more compressed, right? So this is the way how we can use uncompressed commands. These are the special utility commands of the Linux which we can use. Now we have another command, unpack command, to make our zipped file, to make them zipped file a simple file, right? So let me write unpack anju2.gz file and let me make it. Now I'm able to see that this particular command is not recognized by my by my virtual machine. So let me write sudo apt install and then the name of that command, sudo apt install unpack, right? And I have to add the password of the file of my Linux, of my Ubuntu, and now my all package got installed. And let me check now whether my unpack command is now working or not, right? So unpack, the name of the file, anju2.gz. Let me check whether it's working or not. So I have written here unzip. Unzip command I am writing. I am trying to implement unzip, and then I am I have to check uncompressed, unzip file, and unpack command, right? So all these are the different commands that I have to check, right? So let me check it. Gzip, gzip Anju underscore Bhandari, that is the unplanned file, and I have to check whether it gzip is able to make my file zipped or not. Yes, Anju underscore Bhandari was the plain text file, and after applying gzip command, it is we have made it zipped now.